Doing, Loki? Stop harassing him. You following Daddy? What you doing, Loki? He's not the one feeding you. Don't come over here and give me grief. Gave me a good-sized bruise the other day. Hey, be nice. See harassing you and Elmer or Wilbur. Annabelle. Hey, Wilbur. What you doing, buddy? Come here. Hi. What you doing? It's finally not raining. Hmm. Loki. 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 You ignoring me? Loki. Hey. I came out here to see what you guys are up to. What are you doing, buddy? Those aren't for you to rub on. Got me some new boots. We're ready to go. Getting prepared for hurricane season. For all this water that's going to be here. Let's go check on these other two in here. Annabelle, what are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? You're kind of blending in with the tree. You gonna let me get a little bit closer? Annabelle, you gonna let me get closer to you? Huh? You gonna let me get closer to you, good girl? Come on. Still not? You're not interested? You know what, girl? It's time. You're not gonna let me pet you? I have that collar on her so I can grab a hold of her and pet her, but it's a matter of grabbing a hold of her. She's too quick on her feet. Here. No? Well, there you go. Little turkey. Hey, Annabelle. Is that your favorite spot now? Elmer. Hey, buddy. Hello, ladies. I haven't seen you all day. I've been working. You already have some of you already up for the night, huh? Hey, girl. Let's fill up your water again. Got in here earlier and put you some new shavings in here because it was all wet. I have one hen that has been laying on her eggs, and she has several in here. So we'll see what happens with that. She's out getting a break. Go check on those other ones here in just a moment. How you guys doing? Huh? You got some pretty colors there, girl. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. No? Pretty ladies. Really? Is that what you got to say? A couple of the guineas. You know, I tell you what, these guineas are not the most good-looking birds, but they're handy to have around. What you doing down there, girl? Picking my feet? Your back's healing up. Hey, Wilson. I see you've torn up the watermelon and the rind. Gonna have to get you some more watermelon out here. The other day my husband came home with about 4 huge watermelons, so we gave them to the goats and the chickens. They absolutely love watermelon, especially in the heat. Are you stuck back there? Oh no, you're getting around. Hey girl, you hesitating coming out? Huh? This is the first day of, within the last 4 days we've had tons and tons of rain, so this is the first dry day in the last 4 days is what I'm trying to say. But we're not complaining, we've been needing rain. Just everything just gets really nasty and icky, but the chickens seem to love it. A bunch of new bugs for them to eat. Hey girl, is this your new perch? Huh? No? Leroy Brown. Making some noise. Leroy, see you're healing nicely. Mr. Wilson decided to peck one of his eyes, and we thought he lost an eye, but he still has both of them. He just had it closed for a while, letting it heal. And there's our mama. She's off her eggs right now, but she's getting a break. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's starting to thunder, so I'm gonna be leaving you guys alone. Get back out here later and check on you. Welcome back, guys. I tell you what, I don't know what has transpired within these last couple of days, but I only have 3 eggs that I have picked up out of the coop within the last, I would say, 2-3 days. I just had somebody come by today and pick up 2 dozen, which took me quite a while to gather, and I have tons and tons of chickens out there in the coop. So I don't know if it's because of the heat or if it's because of this rainy weather. I'm not really sure what has caused such a delay. So I'm hoping and praying that that changes very, very soon. I do have one broody hen that's been laying on her eggs, but she's probably got like 6 out there. But I definitely need more eggs, that's for sure. We're feeding them really well, we're taking good care of them, so hopefully soon I'll be gathering a lot more. So we shall see. But this is crazy.